Hi! Today I want to show you how to make fast and fabulous butterfly cards. We'll be using the Stampin' Up! Celebration Free Gift with Purchase Textures and Frames stamp set and Brilliant Wings dies. I'll be using all 5 of the 2021-2023 in colors for my fast and fabulous butterfly cards. I'm Shelley Godby, the owner and CEO of Stamping Smiles, and for 20 years I've been teaching others how to create their own hand stamped smiles. So I picked what I thought was my favorite color for the card base, but stick around to the end because I'll show you the same card in the other 4 colors so you can decide. Here's a closer view of the Textures and Frames stamp set. It's an exclusive to the Stampin' Up! Celebration 2021 Part 2. The only way to get this is absolutely for free with your $50 or more order placed by September 30th, 2021 in my online store. And there are other choices too, a lot actually, to choose from in this celebration brochure. And so we've got sparkly paper and penguin background paper, just a lot of choices. All that you see here as I'm flipping through are free with a $50 order. Look at all these choices, just fabulous. All right, and so then there are, here it is, the Textures and Frames. There are 2 choices free with a $100 order, and here are the Summer Shadows dies and the Delicate Dahlias. And if you have an order of 300 or more, you get this fabulous In Your Words stamp set absolutely for free. So you can do a $300 order on your own, or you can have me put together a book party for you where you order through your friends so you can earn this. But celebration, oh my goodness, just the best time of year, getting free gifts with purchase. Love it. And so we'll be using this for my fast and fabulous butterfly cards, but you need butterflies, and here we have the Brilliant Wings. Look, there's so much in here. There are 2 sheets. Aren't these beautiful? And so the Brilliant Wings stamp set, well, it coordinates with the Butterfly Brilliant stamp set, and these 2 are available as a bundle. So you save 10% on both the stamp set and the dies when you use a special item number I have listed right here. And so you get this bundle, and that'll help you get the Textures and Frames stamp set absolutely for free. So we're going to start with our die cutting, and so I'm going to grab my Stampin' Mini Cut and Emboss machine. So here's my mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. How adorable is this? So I'm going to go ahead and turn it this way. So now I need to build my sandwich. And we'll start with plate number 1. We need to get this to the appropriate thickness to die cut with the thin metal dies, the Brilliant Wings dies. And then I need a plate number 2. Now you don't have to memorize this because it's all written on here with pictures. All right. So next, my cardstock. I have basic black cardstock. And then this butterfly from the Brilliant Wings dies. And the rough edge, this is smooth. The rough edge is the cutting edge, so we'll put that down on here. And then I finish with another plate number 2. All right, so we'll set that on top. And go ahead and crank this through. There we go. You know, the mini is really nice to have because my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, I always go to a separate table and I stand up, where with the little one, I can put it next to me on my crafting table and just grab it. And it's amazing how many of the dies do fit through here. All right, and so look at that. The pieces are already falling out. It does such a good job cutting. And so then you have the holes for the pieces that come out, but then you have these little poke out holes. Look. That pushes it, so it's really easy for me to get out. And this is my take your pick tool, and I'll just finish with this, poking out the rest of those little pieces. And there we go, because that gives it all that beautiful definition. So I need to die cut 4 more of these. So I'll do that, and then we'll get to the stamping. So all the die cutting's done, so now we're ready to stamp. And I'm going to start with this circle, the solid. All right, and we're going to be using the 2021-2023 in colors. So I'll start with Fresh Freesia. So I'm going to pick that up, slide that in. There we go. And then come over here, ink up my stamp, and stamp. There we go. I'm holding it down a little bit extra long. This is a solid image. I want a good deep color. Oh, fantastic. So we're done with that. So a little push, pull on that lip, and click. Now I'm going to continue with the same stamp but change colors, so I need to clean it. And here I have my Simply Chamois in a standard case. So look, it starts off looking, well, it started bleeding through. Pretty, you know, nice pretty purple, but it quickly gets stained. But that doesn't hurt a thing. The ink stays on this. So I rub it off on here. And now I'm ready to change colors. All right, and so my next color, polished pink. So I'll slide that up. There we go. Fantastic. Let's get this inked up. And we'll come over here and overlap a little bit. There we go. Very pretty. So I'll continue with the rest of the colors. We have Evening Evergreen, Soft Succulent, and Pale Papaya. And there we go. So now I have all of my circles looking oh so good. And then I was looking at that and thought, ooh, this is what I want to do. Let's come back with the Fresh Freesia. And now, from the same stamp set, this splatter. I'll go ahead and ink this up on here and add to our circle. Doesn't that look cool? I'm done with that, so a little push. And to save time from all that cleaning, because I'll keep cleaning, there we go. That's looking so cool. So if you're going to make a bunch of these, what I did was I did all of the Fresh Freesia. You know, I lined them all up and did the, instead of cleaning constantly. And so do the steps so you don't have to clean nearly as much. So looking so good. Now I chose Soft Succulent for my card base. And I want to frame it in this. So I'm going to turn this over in basic black. And I'll have a link to my blog post for this card and all the measurements. So I have my Stampin' seal, and about 1 inch in each corner is fantastic. So I'm going to go ahead and seal it, adhere it to this. And once I'm happy with the placement, then I go ahead and press. And now I have my butterflies. So cute. And I'm going to put some more Stampin' Seal on there in the center. Now I'm going to bend these up. It looks so much prettier bent up like that. Oh, isn't that adorable? All right. And I have my 2021-2023 in color jewels. And I'm going to use my Take Your Pick tool again. Just pick this up, put that right on here. Oh, how cute is this? That's just adding such a nice touch. And then I wanted a greeting on here, so I chose from Queen Anne's Lace, the Hello Friend. And I will use the Tuxedo Black Momentum ink pad for that. Ink this up. And look, that'll fit very nicely right in here. Ah, isn't that adorable? Okay, and I like the font with this too. So I need to keep putting down the butterflies and the coordinating jewel in the center, and we end up with this. Isn't that pretty? Now, the Evening Evergreen is pretty dark, and I tried a white one there instead, but I really preferred to just keep them all black. And so they're bent up. Now, once they go in an envelope, if you mail these, probably not going to arrive like that, but just so stinking sharp, isn't it? So that's the Textures and Frames stamp set. If you thought, boy, I wonder what I would do with that. Awesome backgrounds. It's just nice a lot of times to have that accent in the back. Just adds a lot. And so this was with the Soft Succulent. And I tried it with every color. I just pulled it off my card rack. But then I thought, well, no, I want to see it with all the colors. And so then Pale Papaya. Thought, okay, that's sharp too. And then my first thought was going to be the Evening Evergreen because it was in the center. And that evening when I was doing it, I just thought, boy, that just didn't stand out as well as I hoped, the basic black against it, but it really is sharp. So I'm thinking, And then I decided to try, of course, the polished pink. Whoa, love that. But hot pink and black, one of my favorites. And then the fresh freesia. So you'll have to tell me. I chose a soft succulent, and then after I actually put them together instead of just holding it up there, starting to think, I might have a different favorite, but I love them all. So you'll have to leave a comment below the video to let me know which one you liked best of my Fast and Fabulous butterfly cards. If you'd like to make my Fast and Fabulous butterfly cards, all the supplies are listed below the video and available to order now in my online store, www.shopwithshelly.com. But remember, the only way to get the textures and frame stamp set is for free with your $50 or more order placed by September 30th, 2021. So get on over now to my online store, www.shopwithshelly.com. I'm Shelly Godby, teaching you how to create hand stamped smiles. Thanks for watching.